mobile card thairo sengabon bagi bokok si saime anga sentam bobai kok sanai ba jabo oro ni rada puni osi sawa boro bai kok sadini bo saw saime ya sengabon bagi SDM na request thayo DGM na request thayo tai jirainiani SDPU phai seno oro solution da phaina ungthoi seng bosar karen maya jing ba sapori khamari ya seng tuima to ya tuima nanya seng tam phainai seng upai hin seng bulu saime sengabon ba Cái đó là còn lại cái đó là
Itu Pak, karen. Kalau kau suam nunggu, kalau kau karen beri kamu lah. Hok itu. Kalau kau suam. Sudah selesai. Nanti kita tuh kayak ini tahu kita salahnya ini tuh kamu itu di kali sih salahnya itu. Kamu nunggu sekarang tam nih sing salahnya aja, salahnya. Khumulwng ke, Vivo, extra, और extra कुछ तो तुम रोबोट काम करेंगे।
namo paran korok pasal lagi
Kalau ini kan tahu tuh dong apa tuh? Ayo, para mau paralyzed rok butongo, cara asojak butongo. Actually tam nih bagi yang hai kamu salahnya nih contoh kita tahu jaga kulu kita salahnya tuh kamu haji nggak tuh sol tunggu
neng tahu buci nak kan neng kamu kan
sol tuh bro kasih kamu nani tuh kamu hai kalau tuh oma haji ya sentuh ini bro tuh bro masa kayak siapa bisa talan jago sana habis hawan datang kalah sengki orang talan kulu kan orang bilang tanah iba hari dah kamu haji ya boleh salahnya nih jadi kita pura mutasan. Jadi dokaran baca. Mia orang mau problem. Ngemia orang ketangkai karen baca. Jadi bunga kita pakai karen baca. Nah kamu salahnya nih orang. Hei tahu. Hanya salahnya aja. Orang kan dia tong ya kisah sini mana.
Borong ni hai di pan mencang dong, hai dong. Apa baca?
Apa hajinya? Bang ni bang opus ukur apa tengah aja dan kita apa kaca college compound dengan paramedical compound mungkin electric office ketemu ukur apa tengah aja dan bom apa condition mungkin kita sana ya jadi lah sekarang departemen ini
kayak ni kalau bang ni kadus kurui seng bil lepanyan jet dus kena tu ibar kayak ngoro karim bil na bil senang tengah ni rang narja us kang kawa siapa 6,000 unggah ko 6,000 90 টাকা রি mah
kan udah sini aja সমস্যা যাকে সমস্যা
orang kebanyakan haji electricity, our children cannot attend the exam and they will mark absent. Who will be responsibility for this? If the school is marking absent to the student has to take the parents and meet the principal and meet the teachers. Who will do that? Are they going to take all the burden in their head? They are not going to do that. They are really sitting in their own office with all the fans on everything and they are not thinking about others.
We are suffering. Even yesterday night also we came here. There is a big question mark. By 8:30 we are coming here. Why none of the office staff is here? There is a big question mark to the department here. At least one of the office staff should remain. One person said he is a local person, that he said there is less staff members. If you have got less staff members, please recruit more. Please get some more staff. You have to work. It's not that you are enjoying, this line is having VIP line, they are all enjoying the lights and fan. We are not having neither those. Early in the morning you get up. As soon as you get up, the first thing what you need is water. Without water we cannot do anything. And in our area we don't have, no one is giving us the supply of the government the water. We are having our own water. Unless there is no electricity, we cannot pump even the water. So do you think about them? Others are staying all in Agartala, in all the area where there are electricity. They are staying in very peaceful way. They don't have any border for anyone. But we, the people who are suffering, at least you think for us. We can, okay, by anyhow, daytime we can manage by walking around. Or nighttime, where should we walk? There is no fan. How will we sleep? We'll open the doors and sleep. It's a big question mark to the department that they have nothing. They have not done anything. They have not taken any initiative what they will do. They are giving only excuses every day. Every day there is an excuses. If you are not eligible to work, please give the people who can work here, let them do their work and supply current for us properly. As when you have fixed for the prepaid, when so many people they were not able to pay the money, you came to the house and you took the fridge, the television, you just took because they are saying that we are doing hooking. Now we are not doing any hooking and we are giving you every month the payment what we are supposed to give them. Why you cannot supply us the electricity? What is the problem? Are we using in free? We are not using anyone's money, okay? We are using our own money and we are spending. So it's all your department that you have to look into it. I don't know, we came here, nothing is here and no one is here. It was left open and we have seen so many games, indoor games inside. It's something big question mark to the department. What are you doing? Only when you get the news that there is no electricity, you will run for it. Please be sure of what you are doing. This is my request to all those who are in charge. Please look into this matter. It's not about one day, it's not about today. It has been continuing for months and years. We are suffering. But it is crossing the limits. That's why we are here today, gathering together to come to one solution. We want to get a solution that what you will do next, what step is you going to take next. Because every day we will not be able to suffer like this.
Line dog the Zakoza, Borong Masapan Kering, gets an apple for Renganke, Pinu Pika Bongoro, Tukrub like Jack Rock Zanala or Glass Rock by, gets in Kiri Layo, by this Mokal Hakanasi in Aleka. Apple for Renganka, Bongoroka Carenton or Khumulwng, Bishingonga Carenton or Dukmali area, Sang Apple for Rengas, Tanan night on one or rather Puni police station in Borough of Paishok Paka, gets in Borough by Cocktail Tiny Hair or a honey, Sarabara was in Onkoritanga Ozagan, or Khumulwng electric office.
Approve not of Mamalaka, Kebu office.
Malaya or Borok Croxapan Guri, get Tini Pies and Sing Pika, Sing to Karen Baggy Coxana Payo, Sabai Coxana, Borok's Hawa, Ubobis Hadi, Binaratanga Borok's Hawa, Ubobis Hadi. I'm Hakamang Ulta, Yang Gurika. Last rock of Pie Shop a couple bongs, Sidiat manager, Barota Tamti yo. Gets an Avon Baggy or Zotonatin, Books on Belbari, Amchaini, Books on Tacos on Pie Shop with Jack and Baggies and Takwan of Unko Mayakos and Avon Baggy Basalite. Or a shop pay or any stab of a cock the massa. Or in Stavrocks, Howard and Kuns Haisimaya, Tamnos Himes and Avon Baggies in Zotan or Basalite.